Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I dye my hair using a Demi-Permanent hair dye. So first I do use the color enhancing cream mixed with the color activator. I mix both of them together to give me the color that I want, and I think it was supposed to be a darker color, but I probably didn't mix it well properly. But I still went ahead and applied it to my hair, and this time it does coat the strands. I make sure I work it all the way through so that every strand gets the coating. Now this is a demi-permanent dye, so it just coats the strands instead of penetrating it or lifting any previous color. So that is one of the pros to it, and also it doesn't have ammonia in it, which is usually what causes damage to your curls. So I'm making sure to work it through. As you can see, it is turning a darker blackberry color, but you only see the burgundy hints in the sun, if any. But I am making sure to work it through, and it does wash away over time, so your color, your natural color, will come back. It doesn't give you like that line of demarcation where you have two different colors, where it's your new growth and then the fading permanent color that you put in your hair. So I really like that. And then once I finish, you leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then you apply the conditioner, you rinse it out till your hair is clear. You apply the conditioner, you leave it in for about 2 to 5 minutes, and then once you rinse that off, you are free to go ahead and style your hair. I will show you guys how I style my hair in another video, but as of now, I just styled it using some Dove products that I've been loving lately, and I do show you guys at the end what it looks like. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.